During lockdown, Amul understood the core problem of homemakers, that they were feeling isolated and sulky. And hence, Amul brought a content marketing strategy that made its audience feel cheered up during its hardest moment. On 17 April 2020, they came with an experiment and started live recipes with two chefs. The purpose of this experiment was to show solidarity with the HoReCa industry and provide assurance that things would be normal soon. Hello everyone, myself Sagar, and today I will tell you a content strategy that will strengthen your position in the market. Let us first understand what is content marketing strategy. A content strategy focuses on the planning, creation, delivery and governance of content. Your content should resonate with the audience and form a deep connection with them. The best way to do this is to identify your target audience's problem and help them find a simple solution. The whole objective of Amul's experiment was to connect with the chefs and the homemakers who were feeling sulky at home and give them an opportunity to cook using innovative ways. The experiment was very successful indeed, and Amul's Facebook page grew to 2 million followers, and around 90,000 minutes of live content was produced till January 19, 2021. This led to creating a world record of doing the longest and the biggest live recipe event in the world. For more such amazing content, follow Quibus trainings.